Hey guys, ever wondered how to turn a plain white dress into a stunning, colorful outfit in just minutes? Stay tuned because today I'll show you how to do it fast and easy using Photoshop. So let's dive into the video. First, select the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. Carefully select the area of the white dress that you want to apply the fabric to. Take your time to make sure the selection is clean and accurate. Step 2. Once the selection is complete, go to the Layers panel and press Ctrl+J twice. This will duplicate the selected area into 2 new layers. Step 3. Select the top copied layer, Layer 1 copy. Press Ctrl+L to open the Levels panel. Set the preset to Custom, and adjust the input levels as needed based on your image. Click OK. Then press Ctrl+Shift+U to desaturate the layer. Step 4. Go to the top menu. Click on Filter Blurb Gaussian Blur. Set the radius value depending on your image. Usually between 1.5 to 3 works well. Click OK. Step 5. Now go to File Save As, and save this desaturated blurred layer as a .psd file. After saving, delete the top blurred layer, Layer 1 copy. Step 6. Select Layer 1, then go to File, Place Embedded. Choose your colorful fabric image, and place it over the selected area. Resize and adjust its position to fit the dress properly. Reduce the opacity temporarily if needed for easier alignment. Step 7. Right-click on the fabric layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. This will clip the fabric to the shape of the dress. Step 8. With the fabric layer selected, go to Filter Distort Displace. Set horizontal and vertical scale values. Usually 10 to 15 works well. Under Undefined Areas, choose Wraparound, then click OK. When prompted, select the PSD displacement file you saved earlier. Step 9. Blend and Final Touch. Change the blending mode of the fabric layer to Multiply. Then, go to the Fabric Layers FX panel. Hold down Alt and drag the underlying layer sliders to blend the fabric more naturally into the dress. And that's it. You've now transformed a simple white dress into a beautiful and elegant design using Photoshop. And that's how you can turn any simple white dress into a fashionable masterpiece. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative Photoshop magic. See you in the next one. Stay creative.